Go.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today we're going to make my favorite and my mom's special caramel pudding. Here are all the ingredients. First we have 2 cups of milk. Next we have half a cup of condensed milk. Next we have 5 eggs. Then we have 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Then we have some sugar for the caramel. First, we start by beating the eggs. So here, as you can see, here are 5 eggs. Then I'm going to take my egg beater and I'm going to smush the egg so it's easier to beat. You're going to try to do a timer. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. After I mix this a little bit, I'm going to add the condensed milk and the milk. Okay, right now the yogurt has been fully mixed, so I'm going to add this condensed milk. I don't want to be wasting anything, that's why I'm using the spatula. Now let's add the 2 cups of milk. And then you have to mix properly. Right now I'm done mixing this. So right now let's make the caramel. So first you have to take a pot and you have to put it in the stove for like medium to low heat. I'm gonna take 3 tablespoons of sugar. You have to spread this across the pot. My caramel is done, so this is what a caramel should look like. Right now, I'm going to take this grabber to put the caramel over here. Right now, I'm going to add some finishing touches to this. I'm going to beat it for a little bit. Okay, right now I'm going to pour all of this pudding mixture in the caramel. Today, I'm going to make my pudding in a rice cooker. In this rice cooker, I've put 2 cups of water. So I'm going to take this. Before you put it in the rice cooker, you have to make sure that this has cooled down inside here. So I'm gonna set it in the rice cooker for 20 minutes. Right now it has been 20 minutes and I took it out of the rice cooker. So I'm gonna use this toothpick to check if there's any pudding on the toothpick. See, if there's none, that means it's done. So I'm going to cool this at room temperature until it's cooled. Right now it cooled down completely. So I'm going to use a knife and I'm going to cut around the edge so that it's going to be easier to pull out. I'm going to put the knife away. And then I'm going to take a plate. I'm going to make it upside down. Then I'm going to make it the right way up again. Now let's pull it up. So sugary. Looks so sugary. Now it's time to decorate. So I'm going to take 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 strawberries, and I'm going to take a blackberry And I'm going to try to make it stand up. Here, I'm going to use the rest of the blackberries to decorate around the edge. Right here. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you liked it a lot. Goodbye!